Are you longing for spotless, soft, and radiant skin? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to share a magical remedy that can transform your dull skin in just 7 days. The best part, you'll need only 4 simple ingredients: water, rice flour, dry milk, and aloe vera gel. To begin this magical transformation, place a pan on a low burner. Add 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and 2 tablespoons of dry milk. Mix these ingredients on the burner until they blend into a creamy concoction. Once your mixture reaches the desired creamy consistency, remove it from the pan and transfer it to a jar. Now, the secret ingredient. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to the mix. Stir thoroughly until you achieve a proper cream-like texture. This magical cream is the key to your skin's transformation. Store it in the freezer to keep it fresh and effective. To unlock its potential, apply this cream to your face daily for 20 minutes at night or any time that suits your routine. Now, what's the magic behind this cream? The rice flour exfoliates and brightens your skin, while dry milk nourishes and softens it. Aloe vera gel, known for its healing properties, works like a charm. This simple remedy can turn your skin from dull to dazzling in just 1 week. With this magical cream, you're just 7 days away from achieving the soft, spotless, and radiant skin you've always dreamed of. Remember, the key is consistency. So, embrace this easy and natural skincare routine, and be ready to be amazed by the transformation. For more easy and authentic beauty hacks, subscribe to our channel and join us on this journey to uncover the secrets of radiant skin. Your path to beauty begins now.